Kawuok kuneni Rowere koro ikwayo mondo odonj e riwruoge mag saga mondo gibed kod yuto mag ohala to kod yot mar yudo hola. Ma en kwayo mogol kod jakom mar riwruok mar saga mar wana anga sako Charles Ngunjiri kaka ne lose nomo mar jokanyo mag saga e boma ma Nairobi. Ngunjiri ne olero ni riwruoge mag saga sani oseketo yot manyasani e tijegi, mano miyo koro gibedo e ong'ala manyime mar rwako thoth joma tindo kaka jokanyo. Bende medo ni nyaka sani ng'eny jogo mantie e riwruoge mag saga hikgi oseniang' emomiyo koro gimanyo Rowere mondo obed jokanyo.
On behalf of the membership, kuja uongee kitu.
The level of employment is becoming low, and therefore most of the people, the young people, are there in the informal sector. However, I would say that this is where we believe that the future is. Because whatever you are doing, however little you are getting, you can still be able to save, and tomorrow be able to borrow from the circle. So, in spite of the fact that we've got an aging workforce, we are saying we are here for you. And actually we are applying technology. Because as we speak today, like Wananga, we are launching what we are calling One App. On your phone, you can be able to borrow a loan and be able to pay. We are also having what we are calling share trading on your phone. You should be able to sell your shares, and somebody else is going to buy them online using the same phone. So for the young people, I'm encouraging you, technology is there for us, and therefore you should come to us, and we can serve you anywhere in this globe.